Hello friends, today we are going to do chapter 5 acid, bases and salts, but we are going to do it through notes. Why? Because if a book is of 500 pages, then the things you should study is only of 150 pages, and the things which are important and you have to learn is only of 50 pages. So we are going to take it in short form and we are going to cover all the topics today only, and as well as you will get the notes of chapter 5 from all the topics, and I will take only important part from that topic, so it will be easy for you. So take out your notebook, pencil and erasers or pen if you want. First I am gonna explain you these notes and then I am gonna paste it on the screen so that you can see and at last take a screenshot or write it together in your notebook.
The word acid is derived from the Latin word acidius, which means sour. The acids which occur in fruits and vegetables etc. are called naturally occurring acids. The acids obtained from minerals are called mineral acids. Mineral acids are also called inorganic acids. A solution containing the maximum amount of acidic gas is called concentrated acid. A solution containing lesser amount of acidic gas is called dilute acid. Acids can be obtained by adding concentrated acid into distilled water dropwise with constant stirring. The substances that are bitter in taste and soapy to touch are called bases. The bases which are soluble in water are called alkalis. A substance that changes its color when added to an acid or a base is called an acid-base indicator. The reaction between an acid and a base and alkali is called neutralization reaction. The neutralization reaction between an acid and a base is called an exothermic reaction. Antacids are weakly base and are taken to get release from indigestion or acidity. Toothpastes are weakly basic and help in neutralization of acid produced in the mouth due to food particles degradation. Acidic soils can be corrected by adding lime or slaked lime to the soil. Basic soils can be corrected by adding organic matter or manure to the soil. Real wastes are treated either with acidic or basic substances according to their nature. In very short time we have completed this chapter. In next video we will be doing the question answers of this chapter, which can become in your exam, or we can say important question answers.